Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the SP3022. This is the Dell Speakerphone. This is a fabulous tool to really up your audio collaboration. Let's check it out. All right, so we got the product over here, and if you've never seen the box before, a couple of callouts. This is the most intelligent speakerphone, whereby you are using AI to reduce that background noise. Now, this device is going to provide incredible value for how it sounds and what it does from a conferencing as well as listening experience. And then you are going to see a fantastic 3-year warranty to go along your use of this particular device. So here's the box. Let's go ahead and cut the seals. So there's a little pull tab here. We go ahead and pull that off. Place that down, pop open, and that's it. We've got the speakerphone over here. Let's place this down for a sec. Inside the box, you will have your quick start guide, warranty, safety, regulatory information, and nothing else in the box. And now let's take a look at the speakerphone itself. Got a lengthy cable, which is great depending on where you're plugging it in. Does come with a USB-C or USB-A connectivity option, which gives you a ton of flexibility. This is going to be certified for Zoom and Teams and things like that. Go ahead and sweet. So on the face of the device, you will see Teams buttons, call, volume down, volume up, mute your mic, so you're able to interact with that directly off the device. You do have a cable management system, which is great to see when you think about the amount of cables you may have on your desk and the rat's nests that could exist. From a device perspective, right, this doesn't weigh a ton. You can pack it in your bag and really hit the ground running. From an intelligence standpoint, you are going to see and hear about Dell Peripheral Manager, and we'll take a look at that in just a second. Alrighty, so I've got the speakerphone plugged into my Precision 5680 Dell Peripheral Manager is open. If you've never seen it before, it's really how we're bringing intelligence to our peripherals. So in my scenario, my keyboard, my mice, I'm able to customize all that. The speakerphone, which is what you're here for, and the webcam and things like that. So from a speakerphone perspective, you have some options. So how you want to preset the device, from a default perspective. Am I going to be doing speech and you want that amplified? Am I going to be listening to music and I want to enhance the bass? Or if I am, listening to a movie and I want the treble, raised up, I can certainly do that by toggling the preset modes. From a more granular level, if you're, an audiophile and you want to adjust the bass, the mids, the treble, I can certainly do that with the sliders. So if I want a little more mids, I can do that. From a noise cancellation perspective, this is where we bring some of that intelligence where you can remove the background noise. If I wanted to mute the sound notification, so basically if you didn't want to play a sound when the device goes on mute, you can certainly turn that off. Volume adjustment tone, so as I turn the volume up and down, you will hear a little buzz. I can turn that off there. And then that pretty much sums it up, right? And I did want to give kind of the audience here an opportunity to actually listen to what the SP3022 sounds like. And I've actually been doing the peripheral overview using the speakerphone. So hopefully that provides, additional clarity on what to expect. Another thing you may be wondering is how do the buttons interact with the various audio video conferencing applications? So with regards to Microsoft Teams, you'll see that the full suite of buttons are going to work, whether it's bringing up the application, the pickup, volume up, volume down, and the mute. From a Zoom perspective, rightfully, the Teams button may not work, but the pick up, volume down, and mute buttons will work. And then if you are using Google Meet, volume up, volume down are the buttons that will work. So, you know, this will work with multiple UC, unified collaboration applications. So taking a look at the device one last time, you do have your buttons there. This is certified for Teams or Zoom. You've got USB-C or USB-A connectivity, so you do have some flexibility all built into the single cable. So you can tuck this directly under your monitor, on the side, however you want to use it. But thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and overview. Get your hands on this particular speakerphone. It's incredible. Take care.